Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Dr. Gaurav Lala and today we are talking about something that's always been a very hot topic in medicine, work-life balance. But let me tell you, finding that perfect balance, it's kind of a myth. There are so many factors, your specialty, where you work, how you manage your time. All of these factors affect your work-life balance. So there's no basic, there's no magic formula. Certain subspecialties do tend to offer more control over your schedule and on top of others. So let's count down the top five specialties with the best work life balance. Number five is going to be PMR. I'm only talking about the clinical specialties because non clinical ones, pathology and pharmacology, everybody knows about them. So, starting with PMR on number five, very much based on the outpatient setting. Work schedules are limited. Most cases are post op stroke patients, but please consider not all results are good and majority of stroke patients don't do well. One of my friends had joined PMR in NIMHANS and they deeply regret it because a lot of patients don't do so well after surgeries, after neurosurgeries. But there are different aspects. You might be working with orthopedicians also, general surgeons also, so that changes that. But keep in mind that there is going to be some negativity in terms of that. Number four is psychiatry. Usually work with psychiatrists usually work with scheduled appointments during the day, and since most cases are not emergencies, after work hours are pretty much rare. This specialty will offer you a steady routine, honestly a much better chance to recharge outside of work. Third is radiology. Especially in outpatient settings, hospital based radiologists might have intense shift, but those working on their own centers or even on outpatient centers on jobs can have a pretty much balanced lifestyle. Even though telemedicine is also becoming a thing and we will have structured work hours with that, so that makes it a great option for anyone who is wanting a tech focused job with a work life balance. Number two is going to be my favorite, my own branch, ophthalmology. Fantastic specialty if you are looking for a good mix of clinical work and surgeries, but without the chaos of constant emergencies. I love it. And I will tell you one cool factor about ophthalmology. Ophthalmologists are one of the few surgeons who operate sitting. Most surgeons stand up and operate, so they have to stand for like hours, but ophthalmologists sit and operate. So it's a really cool thing, I find. So ophthalmologists usually enjoy a regular work hours and very predictable schedule, plus you get to help people see better. Incredibly rewarding. My favorite one, of course, there's going to be bias. Number one, still I give the privilege to be number one to Damat. Typically have some of the best work-life balance in medicine, but not pointing out the regular work hours and very few emergencies. The specialty offers a lot of control over your time, which makes it highly sought after the doctors these days are looking to maintain a very nice work life balance, but that feeling of doctor is sometimes taken away from dermatologists, since a lot of people are moving towards cosmetology because it is monetarily definitely more rewarding. So pick and choose your branches well, and these are the few ones that I could point out which have a more predictable schedule, fewer emergencies. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an upload. And let me know in the comment section what's your dream specialty. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, thank you. Bye bye.